Hey guys, so I just received my wireless keyboard, the wireless K680 rechargeable keyboard and mouse combo from AliExpress. The package took about 3 weeks to a month to get here, and as you can see, the package looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's beat up that much. I hope all the keys are okay, but I'm about to get into this unboxing. And one of the reasons I got it is because I do appreciate keyboards with the number panel on the side, and this one doesn't come with that. I could have ordered another one, but it would have cost probably about $120, and I didn't want to spend that much. And I am attracted to these LED lit up keyboards with the backlight, so I want to see how that looks on this. Alright, so let's get into this unboxing. Alright, the packaging seems fine. The little mouse is on this side. See what the mouse looks like? Seems pretty fine. Take a look at it. Seems alright. There's no scratches anywhere. The box is pretty much still intact. The manual does have an English side. This has one USB input that's on the bottom of the mouse here, that connects both the mouse and the keyboard once it's plugged in. But let me get to this part, and we're gonna set it up. This is the panel for your wrist. Looks pretty good. Definitely. Oh, that's pretty sweet. They also included a mouse pad. I had no idea that was gonna be in there, so that's pretty sweet. Alright, here we go. All the keys look like they're still intact, which is a beautiful thing, knowing that it came all the way from China. But let's set it up and we'll see how it goes. Charging cable. Got the little charging cable right here. Regular USB port to a micro. Has some stands in the back, just in case you need that extra elevation. It's more like it. And this part goes, oh, it's a piece of metal. It connects with two pieces of metal in the back right there, two pieces of magnet. So as you put it up here, it just sits in place. Got some little scratches right here right here also, but I guess, you know, shouldn't really matter. Again, this is the mouse pad that it came with. It's the mouse pad that it came with. It's the mouse. Mouse feels pretty good. Got these extra buttons on the side. You can program these buttons right here for whatever you want in terms of gaming and stuff like that. Maybe you could even just for regular software functions for like copy and paste, you could definitely do that. It's got the wheel, so let me set it up. This is the USB that's in the back of the mouse, and this is all it needs. Plug this in the back of your computer, and you turn the mouse and the keyboard on. Turn the keyboard and the mouse on. Let me see, power on buttons. Okay, you've got the on button right here. Turn that on. Wow, you see how it lights up automatically? Well, pretty soon I'm gonna turn the lights off so you guys can see the lighting effect. And this key, the white one, it doesn't change colors. It's not the rainbow colors. If you want the rainbow color one, you gotta switch to the black keyboard. But I wanted the white one because, you know, it matches with the Mac. There's got the on button right here. Turn this on, and right away it's functioning. Right away, the mouse feels a little bit better, but let me see. So right away I was prompted to the keyboard assist. You guys can see that. As I plugged the USB in the back, right away I was prompted to the keyboard setup, so that's definitely a good thing. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. So guys, there you have it. In the dark, that's what it looks like. The mouse is a rainbow mouse, so that changes colors, and the keyboard just turned off because it goes into sleep mode, so you gotta turn it back on, which is a beautiful thing. I guess that helps conserve the battery. But there you go. Yeah, that's what it looks like in the nighttime. I love the glow it has to it, and especially the mouse. The mouse changes the color again. Check it out. There you have it. There you have it, guys, with the different holding slots. You can put 3 pencils. I've got 2 credit cards in there, and that's the phone holder in the back of the keyboard. It's pretty sweet. Guys, this is what the keyboard looks like in the dark. And like I said, it's not the rainbow keyboard, so it doesn't change colors. And the keyboard and the mouse has a shared USB receiver, and the keyboard is made out of brushed metal panel, which makes it pretty sturdy. And it also has, that's my phone in the back right there, pencil holder, and a card holder there. The mouse, on the other hand, changes colors. You can set that so it changes faster, slower, whichever you prefer. And it also has 4 DPI ranges, from 800 to 2400 DPI. That's when the keyboard goes into sleep mode. You gotta tap it, wake back up. I'm guessing you could change that if you want, so it doesn't go into sleep mode, but I don't mind. Maybe it help conserve some of the battery time. There you have it. So guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more of my AliExpress purchases in the future. Thanks guys.